So if you find yourself wandering around Macau town, take a moment to stand on any street corner and look around. So much beauty is abound.
I was just thinking about Mexican food too the other day. I'm really gonna enjoy this burrito. I think we're gonna walk on our street, but at least you get to see what it looks like a little bit. All right, so we have a little guest star here. So actually he's already been to this restaurant, and this is the address that it's on, and that's gonna be our target street too. So we're gonna walk down it, and his name is JP, by the way.
Hello.
See you, JP.
Enjoy your Mexican food.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
So actually he's been in here a couple times, so we're just gonna go in here and just check it out real quick. So actually they have so right here we got a Thai restaurant and then another Mexican restaurant. So there's 3 Mexican restaurants all in this area. This one, and then that Mexi-Express halfway down, and then Old Taipa Tavern is kind of a little bit that way as well. There's lots of restaurants, lots of shops around here too. Thai Tuk Tuk. Hello. Oh, hey. How are you doing? Helen. I am. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Hey, all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple things. I'm going to show you this, because this is a street we're going to focus on in a minute, and it's called Joao Street in Macau here. I'm also going to show you this right here too. This is a Mexican restaurant, it's new. And so there's Lily's is an artist here, and I saw her, she has a gallery with this Mexican shop, and they also have these kind of cool hats too. Not too bad, eh? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the burrito, and then what we're gonna do is just kind of highlight Taipa a little bit, and just kind of give you an idea that this street right here is in this type of village. It's not too far from a beautiful temple and Old Taipa Tavern, and the street is with the gallery and the Mexican shop is not too far from here, just like not even a block. So we're going to highlight all of that and show you Joao Street in Macau 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, I got that all ready now. So you got so I'm gonna take the first bite out of this. I guess I should have I guess I'll hold this one in. There we go. Wow, that's really, really good. I was just thinking about Mexican food too the other day. I'm really gonna enjoy this burrito. I think we're gonna walk on our street, but at least you get to see what it looks like a little bit. That's gonna be our target street. Okay, so we're gonna start our road. We're gonna be going directly down that direction right there. Before we go down, we'll just kind of show you where we are. We're in this place called, it's a plaza, a little square. You got shrines, you got a temple, you got guanyin, you got, oh, you got, those 3 are, Lok, Folk, and, hey JP.
Hello.
I just sent you a message.
What did it say?
I'll turn off the camera and tell you.
Okay.
All right, so we have a little guest star here. So actually he's already been to this restaurant, and this is the address that it's on, and that's going to be our target street too. So we're gonna walk down it, and his name is JP, by the way.
Hello.
So JP, so I'm gonna ask him a little bit about Mexican food in Macau, and what do you, how much is it? How much of it is here?
I am not an expert at restaurants in Macau, but I have been here about 8 years, and I can say that there aren't many Mexican restaurants in Macau. So when something pops up like this place, it is a cause for celebration. or at least attention.
That's so true. So we're walking by OTT, so this is actually a famous place for most expats here. So both JP and I and pretty much every expat in Macau will know about this place.
Yeah.
And so this is kind of a reference mark for a lot of people. And St. John Street, which is what we're on, is where the Mexican restaurant is at. And this street actually has a lot of new stuff like this.
Screen thing.
Yeah, they're gonna. And actually, I don't know. I think JP's gonna get a haircut. I don't know if you want to stay with us or not.
I'm gonna go over to Joker's, which is just around the corner.
Sounds good.
Yes.
So we'll say bye to JP.
Okay.
And I'll give him a little fist bump.
Oh, they're
All
gonna
right.
give me like some sort of ghost microphone or something. Here you go. You can take the mic. All right.
I'll see you, JP.
Enjoy your Mexican food.
Thank you.
All right. See you.
So actually he's been in here a couple of times, so we're just gonna go in here and just check it out real quick. So actually they have things like nachos now. They got burritos. They have there's a burrito, there's some tacos, and quesadillas. So we're just gonna briefly take a look in here. And they're actually gonna have like an art gallery up there as well, so I'm just gonna highlight the artwork real quick. And actually this is where I got the hat at right here. So they're actually selling hats and souvenirs. And they got a coffee shop as well. And this is actually called Mexi-Express. So so yeah, they have a nice little building. It's on this is actually the street right here, called the 5th of St. John Street. So they have a nice little space in here. And actually this is kind of cool. It says I have saudade is like sadness, like a nostalgia kind of feeling for Macau. This one I just quickly mentioned, they're also doing a lot of new stuff around here. I also just want to see what they're doing exactly in here. I think that's going to connect to the other street on the other side, so this will actually be opening up soon. And I think they're doing some plan with that one as well. So that should be kind of interesting too. That facade right there, I guess might be continually staying a part of Macau. So anyways, let's just kind of highlight the street real quick. Little alleys that go through there a little bit. Old Taipa Tavern also has some Mexican food too. So actually, to be honest, this has all kinds of food. The owner is from New Zealand, and so he has you know, Filipino food, Balkanese food, curry. I'm just gonna come out here real quick because I just wanna. There's some beautiful artwork over on this building, and I think we can't really see it very well, but we're gonna try to get in here a little bit. So that wall always had it. And then this is that one that's on the corner here. So they're doing something to that. So we're gonna, let me just kind of capture the corner real quick. So that's Old Taipa Tavern, and then our 5th Joao Street is right here. So let me just kind of move along a little bit. The street is quite short. The other thing that's interesting too is they do have Mexican food here, just a very little bit of it. And then they have some here, which is new, called Mexi-Express. And then there's another one called Tacos, which is at the base of the street as well. We got this one. Then they're also doing some new stuff here. So it's kind of interesting that there's just kind of see what else. This is all on St. John Street, so all apartments there. And then from what I've heard, is they're gonna build some kind of little mini mall kind of thing here that's supposed to fit into the neighborhood well. So that'll be interesting too, how that goes out. That's a Galaxy Casino. That's the Galaxy Casino 2. This is a little bit of a hill, and there's that pink building. There's like there's a church down that way as well. It kind of goes up on a hill a little bit there too. So just to give you some context of it all. That's the official street sign. It says St. John Street. And then you can see they're doing more work down here too. And then you can see another St. John right there. And then right over here they got a few things, so we're gonna highlight that in a moment as well. Let me just look down here real quick. They had a little place called Hawaii Poke for a while, and now it's changed to something different. Now it's a Taobao shop. That fin bowl used to be there long before. Okay, let's go down this way. And then there's Portesquino restaurant down this way. And then there's another Mexican restaurant that's way down at the corner, which is right there, tacos. So let me just kind of highlight everything real quick. You got the Harley Davidson right there, you got the Argentinian restaurant, and I think that's a Japanese yakiniku. And then the Mexi-Express was in the middle, and then you had Taipa Tavern, you have Galaxy in the background, and then right over here is there's a Mexican restaurant again. So we're just gonna highlight this one. They got some construction down this way, but this leads right into it's called kind of a food street area. Let me just kind of highlight this one real quick. So right here we got a Thai restaurant and then another Mexican restaurant. So there's 3 Mexican restaurants all in this area. This one, and then that Mexi-Express halfway down, and then Old Taipa Tavern is kind of a little bit that way as well. This is actually a bar. That's a restaurant over there, Pedesquera. And we're gonna just navigate out to the main road over here. But yeah, this is Portuguese and Mexican cuisine. Then we're gonna come out to the main street over here. So yeah, this is Regidor Street. And so now we basically just got a little taste of St. John's, and you got a little taste of Macau as well, and just exactly what's around here and such. Okay. And this is kind of the main street. So basically that St. John Street is basically 1 block over. And I'm just giving now a little bit of context so you can see the context of things a little bit. So St. John's would have been 1 block right in that way, and then down. Some pretty nice buildings right there. Then we're gonna go a little bit further down because I want to show off this green spot. So now you can see the other side of St. John Street. So where that green is at is going to be something brand new. So they're building something there. There's lots of restaurants, lots of shops around here too. Tai Tuk Tuk. Hello. Oh hey, how are you doing, Helen? I am. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah. Bye. So I was, I've been here for 10 years, so I know lots of people around. And then right there, that's basically the St. John Street is 1 block over that way. So they're doing this Connier engineering right there. So we'll see how that looks. And I think what I'm gonna do, there's a lot of interesting stuff here. Taipa Cafe. And then here's another bar right here. So they're, this one's been winning a lot of awards. Hello. Got really nice decor here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna run across back to Old Taipa Tavern right over there. And then we've basically came in a full circle. And then you get an idea of St. John Street. and just kind of the whole little loop. Okay, let me just get through here. Okay, so we're gonna come back around, and I had the burrito right over there. This is a temporary thing. They have a light show at nighttime, so that's actually what that's all about. And now we're back at our temple right over there, and then that's our target street. So hopefully you got a little bit of context for it all. So that's called St. John Street. And this will be very lively at night. This will be all opened up in the evening. Okay. Let me just kind of highlight. There's a nice new bakery right here, Silvermine Bakery, Temple. That dome is a kind of a mystery. It's been basically no occupancy for 10 years at least. All right. So we'll see what this is going to be in the future. So maybe next time I come, this will be something totally different. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.